Assalamualaikum everyone. This video is based on how to insert table of contents. For example, when we write any book or any kind of documents that have headings, so in that way, how to insert table of contents in the start of the chapter or in the start of the book. So for that purpose, I will tell you about that how to insert it. First of all, we need to specialize our headings, means that here is the heading of food. So first of all I will select it, and then I will go to the reference tab. Here with the layout, the tab is reference, and when I will click on the references, then here is the option of add text. Click on it, then decide where you want to add food at the level 1 or level 2 or level 3. Level 1 means main heading. Okay, when I will select it, then level 1, then it will be the main heading. Okay, then after that I will make it according to our requirement in the bold and in the font size what I want. For that purpose I will go to the home tab. Click on the home tab. Here you can see it is Times New Roman and the font size is 14, but I want headings in bold. For that purpose I will click B, means bold. Here this one is the bold heading, means that main heading. And then next are the for example I have some subheading like this way, types of packaging, so I will select it. Then again I will go to the reference tab. Then here I will click on references. Then I will click on the add text. Now I have to specialize that, categorize that type of packaging is the main heading or the subheading. So it is the subheading, so that's why I will choose level 2, means that in this level 2 it will be a subheading. So I have to again go back to the home tab, click on the home tab, and here you can see that I chosen main heading of font size of 14, so I have to choose subheading on the size of 12. So I will change it into 12. So here I can change it font size into the 12. So here is the subheading. So in this way I will select all of these. So this is the, for example, type is the active. So I will select it active packaging. So after selection I have to go to again reference tab. So I will click references, again add text, but as you can see, food main heading, types of food, types of packaging is the subheading, and next is the type active packaging, it is the again subheading. So I will select it active packaging, select it. After that I will go to the reference tab, then I will choose add text and choose level 3. So it is the subheading. So again I have to go to the home tab, click on the home tab, then choose bold, size 12, new Times New Roman. Okay, here is the subheading. So in this way I have to do all of these so that I can insert a table. So I am doing all of these one by one in this way, like references, then add text, then it's the for example I say it is the level 1 heading. So again go to home, choose 14, then bold, and if you want to do it italic then you can do it, and or if you want to underline it then you can do it, that your heading looks beautiful and more attractive to teachers or to your readers. Okay, so you can do it. And here is the one I am choosing these points for that purpose, that it will create a good table, that content table that looks good to you. So here is subheading. So again go to the home and choose its size, its format, and bold, italic, If you want to do underline, then use underline. And also you can change the color of your heading. It is black, which is set by the word, so we can change it to red, yellow as we want. So in this way, these are the points that I have chosen. And for example, I chose this one as the heading, subheading. So I go to the reference, add text, level 2. Then after that, home. Then here is already set to 1 when Times New Roman. Now I have to bold it, but that it looks like a heading. So after that, after doing all of these as headings, after selection, we have to go to the front page where I want to insert the table. So like, wait a minute, I have to insert it here. So now you have to look carefully. For table insert, we have to go to the references. Then here you can see the option of table of contents. So click on that table of contents. After clicking, you can see here is the multiple options that in what way you want to insert your table. So I will choose the first one. In this way, you can insert your table of contents. So like I have chosen 4 types of packaging and active packaging. As you can see, I chosen food as main packaging, types of packaging as subheading, food as the main heading, and types of packaging as subheading. And then active is again subheading. So in this way, you can make your table of content in an easier way. And if you want to change its style, means if your format doesn't support it, so you can again go to table of contents, and again you can choose this one, and here is look. This is the easiest way to insert the table of content. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then hit the bell icon and do like, share and subscribe my channel and make us feel happy. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.